Welcome or welcome back to the House of Royalty. Well, guys, I'm excited about today's video and that we are starting off my summer styling series that I affectionately call Exotica. It is going to be full of all kinds of exotic inspiration for your summer styling inspo. So without any further ado, let's let the Exotica front porch edition begin. As with any styling redo, guys, it's out with the old and in with the new. So you see me here removing all of my spring items. And to my surprise, my front porch Easter boxes, or spring boxes, they started to fade out. And so I was trying to see what I could do to salvage them. I think I'm going to probably do a painting on the small and medium one. But to my dismay, the larger one was molded on the inside. I'm assuming that it got wet. We did have a lot of rain the last couple of months, and so usually this spot doesn't get rain, but such is life. So we're going to get everything removed, get it all cleaned up, and then we'll move on to the next level. It is truly all hands on deck this day, guys. Like I said, it has been raining quite a bit, and every weekend we plan to get out and do some yard refresh. It was pouring down rain, so today was the day that my love is in the yard. Ananda's raking. I'm trying to get the porch refreshed so that we can get it all styled and profiled. And this is going to be phase one of the front, because we're going to be doing some more updating and refreshing to the front yard. I want to change the mulch. I want to add a little bit of decor, do a little razzle dazzle to the flower bed. You'll see the whole nine, but today we're focusing on this front porch. I like for the front porch to be the theme of the styling, if you would. It would be the first thing that my friends and family see when they come to the home. So I always want to set the tone at the front door. So we're going to get everything cleaned up and get into the styling.
But I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chilling, I GDMing, yeah. Didn't want to share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I want to be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love on. Tonight they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, I said I love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, me, timing's right. So right, our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight.
Now into day two and literally chasing the rain. We are trying to get this styling completed. Yesterday got a little drizzly, so we stopped, and this morning we wake up to more clouds, but we have to continue on. I've got to get this style so that we can move on to the rest of the house. So I am in a hot pursuit of completing this look for you guys before the rain starts, and you will literally see the rain start. But I'm no quitter, so we're gonna keep it moving.
Tonight they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so very
Cleaning is done, so let's usher in some exotic fun. As if the planter arrangement was not an indication of what we were going with, guys, this DIY door wreath is definitely going to set the tone. Now, I used this wreath last year, but as with everything, every round goes higher and higher. So I had the honor of styling up a tropical event for my daughter's 30th birthday party last year. So I took advantage of all the extra tropical picks that I accumulated for that event. So I'm going to go ahead and beef up the entire look. So I added some picks last night, but I wanted to bring it out, hang it on the door to get a true feel of how everything flows. And being the true dramatic stylist that I am, I just wanted a little bit more drama added to this door wreath. Now, these are actually two wreaths that I combined together to give me an asymmetrical, dramatic door piece. And that is just the beauty of styling things your way. You get to create pieces that speak of your style and give an indication of what is to come throughout the rest of your home. And my front door is what I like to do. I like to introduce the themes of every season from the front door literally to the back. So we're going to go ahead and beef up the planter as well. I was on the fence about adding my tropical trees, but I think I'll keep them for another space. But I definitely wanted the planter to mimic or complement the door wreath. Both are going to be tropical themed, but I don't want them to compete with each other because we collaborate, not compete with each other in life or in decor. It's always a great designer tip to make sure whatever theme, whatever design you're going with, that no piece outweighs or looks as if it's not a part of the overall design. My theme is tropical. I wanted the door piece to be the center of attention, which means that the planter needed to just play nice on the side and just complement the showstopper, which is the door swag. And you'll see the other pieces start to come to life. Again, I am repurposing literally everything. There was nothing new purchased for this design, showing you how you can take items that you already had and recreate them, repurpose them, refluff them, just give them a little razzle dazzle and give yourself a totally new look and feel. Same exotic theme, but we're just taking it up another level.
Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Hold me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Reset. It ain't nothing. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Reset.
Guys, one thing to note as I'm creating these arrangements and door swags is I want you to notice the texture that I'm adding. The color scheme is predominantly two colors, and that would be the tropical green leaves as well as the pink florals. But what's bringing the interest and dimension is that I'm using a variety of tropical leaves. If you're in the tropics, if you're on an island, no two leaves will be the same. So I wanted to create the ambiance of being on a literal tropical island, what type of stems and foliage you would see if you were in the tropics. So when doing a design or any type of arrangement, not just a tropical arrangement, you always want to bring in texture and dimension and create interest to every look. So these different textures and types of leaves and different colors of leaves really create a one-of-a-kind custom piece for any decor style. All right, guys, so as I step back and take a look at the overall design, I want you to also take note that I created the planter arrangement using the foundation from what I used in the spring. It's all about repurposing and reusing your items for this look. And as you can see, it is literally starting to rain. But again, I wasn't going to let that stop me. I was determined to get this look completed on this day. That's how much I love y'all, and that's how excited I am about bringing in that exotic summer vibe for this season. Y'all, it's gonna rain on my head, but the perfectionist in me want to keep going. I know that I need to go ahead and complete this look, so for now I'm gonna just stop here and add in the other pieces, starting with the yard flag. I have grown to love these little decor additions so much, and so I have from last year. I'm gonna layer up. This is the rug from the spring look, guys. Again, it's all about reusing and repurposing things that I have, and I love this rug. Anything that I can link will be linked in my description box. 90% of the items I'm using are actually from Amazon, with the exception of the Wreath base and the planter itself. All of the foliage, the flags, the florals pretty much came from Amazon, with the exception of a few from Hobby Lobby. But again, I will link everything that can be linked, but I am absolutely loving how this look is coming together, or has come together. And so without any further ado, even in the rain, I present to you Exotica Front Porch Edition. Enjoy.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building buyers with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like, woo, big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hit that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like, woo, my rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season, like, woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please.
And now, if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and like what you see, I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. And the Summer Exotica Styling Series is just getting kicked off, and you don't want to miss a single upload. Now, to my tried and true and my brand new boos, you kings and queens already know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for every comment, every like, and every share. Guys, I want you to connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at the House of Royalty on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Also, guys, I have some affiliate links listed in the description box. I want you guys to click on them and shop till you drop. One will be including my very own product line. Another will be including my daughter's travel agency, Amazon store, and so much more. So until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and until we meet again, have yourselves a blessed and beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.